Most developers avoid correlated subqueries, thinking they're always slower than joins. But here's the truth. There are specific scenarios where they're not just acceptable, they're the best choice. A correlated subquery is different from a regular subquery because it references columns from the outer query. This means it executes once for every row in the outer table, rather than just once up front. Think of it like a nested loop. For each customer row, the inner query runs to check something specific about that customer. This is fundamentally different from a join, which combines entire result sets in a single set-based operation. The sweet spot for correlated subqueries is existence checks using XISDS or not XISDS. Say you want to find customers who have placed at least one order. You could write select star f from customers her XISDS. Then in the subquery, select one from orders her orders.customer ID equals customers.customer ID. Notice how the subquery references customers from the outer query. This is incredibly readable and efficient, because the database can stop searching as soon as it finds one matching row. You're not building a full result set, you're just asking, does this relationship exist? Now let's talk performance. On large datasets, correlated subqueries can be slower because they execute row by row instead of using set-based operations like joins. However, modern query optimizers are smart. They often rewrite correlated subqueries as joins behind the scenes, so the performance difference may disappear entirely. The real consideration is whether your query needs row-by-row logic or can work with bulk set operations. Here's where correlated subqueries really shine, comparing a row to an aggregate of related rows. For example, finding employees who earn more than their department's average salary. You'd write select name, salary from employees outer here salary is greater than, then select AVG of salary from employees inner here inner dot department equals outer dot department. Try writing that as a clean join, and you'll end up with a much messier query involving self-joins and grouping. The correlated subquery expresses the intent perfectly. For this employee, compare their salary to their department average. Bottom line, use correlated subqueries for existence checks and per row comparisons where they make your query more readable. Don't fear them, just understand when they fit. Practice this concept and more at interviewmentor.ai. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.